Mary was in the garden, and suddenly Gabriel appeared to her. Dear Mary, you have found favor with God. You will bring forth a son. Son? His name will be Jesus. He will be called Wonderful, Counselor, Almighty God, Everlasting Father, Prince of Peace. In all those days, when all the world will be censored by Caesar Augustus. Anyway, Mary and Joseph, her husband, walked all the way to Bethlehem. And she brought forth this firstborn son, and laid him in a manger, for there was no room for them at the end. Then there were wise men in the east. Then there were shepherds in the east, flying the field, being watchers of flock by night, and lo, the angel of the Lord came upon them. His glory was everywhere. They were afraid. The angel said, Fear not, for behold, I bring you tidings of great joy, a message for the people of the world. One who was born this day in the city of David, Savior, Christ the Lord. There shall be a sign unto you. You will find the Abraham stolen close lying in the manger. With the angel, multitudes of heavenly folk praising God, and saying, Glory to God in the highest, and earth peace to all people. Then were wise men in the east saying, Where is he who was born the Son of Man? We have seen the star in the east, are here to worship him. Wise men followed the star in the east. They saw Mary and Joseph in the manger. They bowed down and worshipped him. Brought gifts of gold, frankincense, and myrrh. And being warned that he should not return to Herod, they departed another way. The shepherds also departed, glorifying God with all they had heard and seen. Mary pondered all these things in her heart. Gently a king is born, for shepherds are subject and draw for a throne. Tonight a king is born. Gently a king is born, for shepherds are subject and draw for a throne. Tonight a king is born.